A good day to all. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2022. I am Amrita and here are my teammates Partha and Dhanvan.
We developed a set of strategies to promote millets globally. Our prototypes are 21-day millet diet plan that can be posted as a social media challenge, an alternative millet menu card that can be included in fast food outlets, nudging strategies to encourage people to buy millets at supermarkets.
As we know, millets are packed with nutrition, high in fiber and low glycemic index when compared to rice and wheat. So they help in controlling diabetes, hypertension and lowering cholesterol. As India is the world's leading producer of millets with a share of 43% global production, it wants to place itself as a global hub for millets. So, the government of India is celebrating 2023 as International Year of Millets so that the Indian millets, recipes and value-added products get recognized globally.
To increase the demand and global market for millets in G20 nations, the Indian government designed a roadmap to create awareness about the nutritional benefits of millets and encourage the consumption of millets. Now the demand for millets is increasing, but there's a long way to go.
We found that not everyone is using millets regularly because they do not like the taste and do not know how to cook millets. Some people said that millets are not available near their place. Many would like to have millet-based food if served at fast food outlets. Most of them said that they would like to follow the millet-based diet plan if the meals are easy to make.
Our solution, our set of strategies, addresses all the above problems.
One of the strategies is the 21-day millet diet plan. Each meal in the diet can be prepared easily and the recipes are available. We made sure that the diet plan has a variety of dishes and gives enough macronutrients to those who choose our plan. The diet plan can be posted on social media platforms as a challenge so that it will reach many people.
The next strategy is to introduce an alternative millet-based menu card in fast food outlets such as KFC, McDonald's, etc. We can prepare millet-based menu cards for these fast food outlets, Kentucky Millets and Mac Millets respectively. We prepared Mac Millets menu card to showcase. This menu card has cuisines from across the globe. These cuisines may help people to develop the taste for millets.
The third strategy is a set of business strategies to promote millets at supermarkets. We designed a set of posters that create awareness on the nutritional benefits of millets. These posters are placed at the prime area of supermarkets so that many people will get to know the importance of millets.
Also designed another strategy called Follow Me. In this, footprints are placed in the supermarket that lead to the millet section. This is to nudge the behavior of the people so that they buy millets or millets-based products. Another strategy is to position millets and its related products in the prime area of the supermarket. Our strategies help people to develop a taste for millets, make people consume millets on a regular basis, and nudge people's behavior so that they buy millets on a regular basis. All these strategies are designed for the urban population.